Right now I am on my way to TJ Maxx. I really wanted to go to Target, but TJ Maxx is closer, so I'm just gonna settle for that. So I just wanted to do a little video on my TJ Maxx finds, because you all know TJ Maxx is awesome. So I'm looking forward to going there and seeing what I can find. So I will see you there. Y'all already know what I'm eating tonight for dinner, since it's so conveniently next to TJ Maxx. So it's been super awkwardly quiet in the store, so I'm not really recording myself. Home, and I didn't spend as much as I thought I would. I spent $104, which I thought I was gonna spend more with all the things that I was looking at. I think I was just picking everything off the shelves, but I'm gonna show you all the good deals that I got. All the price tags are still on it, so you can see for yourself. So I got these awesome coconut oil shampoo and conditioners, really big, $9.99 each. So I was pretty excited about that because right now I'm like using this cheap ass shampoo and my hair is so dry because of it. So I've been needing some real shampoo. So TJ Maxx, thank you. Then obviously, you know, I was just splurging because TJ Maxx has the greatest sales, so I was just getting really random things. So I got the Body Shop Tea Tree. It's, I guess, a cream or something that you put on your face, you know, like after a shower and before you moisturize. I'm excited to use this. Also, I'm just showing you these products right now, but I will probably do a video where I will do a video trying out these different products, so you can look forward to that. I had to get makeup wipes. These were $4, $3.99. That is a good deal. So I can't wait to see what those smell like. Let's see, I don't know. I saw this and I wanted to try it out, so I'm definitely going to do a video including this product. Airbrush Face Makeup Lightweight Spray Foundation. It was only $2.99, so I said why not. I got it in the shade Warm Beige. Probably way too dark on me, but oh well, we'll just try it. Some dry shampoo, Batiste Instant Hair Refresh in the scent Blush. This was $7.99. Pretty big can. Smells good. I found this little gem in the very back of the shelf. #beautiful. $7.99. It was hiding behind everything. It's only one of them, so. And it's gold, and I'm kind of like trying to make my room theme like gold and white and like whatever, so I'll find a cute little place to put this. By the way, I will be doing a room tour soon. I've been splurging to make my room cute, so there will be a video of a room tour, and hopefully you'll see this in it. Then I also got this cute canvas. I think I'm going to put like under my TV or something. It was $14.99. I think it's so adorable, and it's gold and white. So I can't wait to hang this up. Come on now. A box spur throw. Not that I need more blankets because I already have a trillion of them, but I guess you can't really have too many. This was $19.99. And I'm kind of excited. I'm going to look now. I just want to know how big it is because I really didn't look. I was just so excited to buy it. $19.99 is not bad. Oh, I can't wait to snuggle in this tonight. Look at it. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm going to put it right at the edge of my bed now. So adorable. And I got a free hanger. And I got this cute little makeup pouch because y'all know I just throw my makeup in my purse. Then I gotta search through the trenches to get whatever I need, like my mascara. So I figured I should get a makeup bag. Cute little, soft little pouch. And it's pretty good size, so this was $4.99. I didn't have a price tag on this, but it was so adorable. I had to buy it. So basically, I just wanted to start writing my tips down from work. Oh, here's the price tag. It only charged me $1.99, so I saved 1 penny. So basically, yeah, I just want to write my tips down and keep track of how much money I make each week. So I figured this is a cute little book I can throw in my purse or whatever and just jot down some info. Last but not least, I got this shower curtain for my bathroom. I just needed one, and I figured $7.99. It's water repellent and machine washable. I'm gonna go put that on right now. Somebody needs to take my credit card away because obviously I just bought a bunch of random things just because why not? But that's okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs it up if you did. If you didn't, thumbs it up. Let me know if you want me to do any other videos like this. Thank you all for watching.